Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Graco 390 is probably one of the most versatile and reliable airless paint sprayers on the market, designed to handle a wide range of residential and commercial painting projects with ease and efficiency, making it a top choice for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned professionals looking for a durable and high-performance tool that delivers a smooth, consistent finish every time. Number 5. GDHXW Prime Spray Valve for Graco Airless Paint Sprayer. Introducing the GDHXW Prime Spray Valve, designed as a reliable replacement for your Graco Airless Paint Sprayer. It's built to ensure your equipment runs smoothly. Crafted from solid steel, this valve offers superior compressive strength compared to other materials. Its robust construction ensures durability, safety, and stability for long-lasting use. The thimble features a tungsten ball, providing excellent resistance that surpasses that of ceramic balls. This enhances the performance and longevity of the valve. Equipped with a tetrafluoroethylene handle, it offers appropriate hardness and toughness. This non-toxic handle is designed for enhanced durability and security during operation. This product comes with all the necessary valve accessories for a successful repair. You'll have everything you need to get your sprayer back in working order. It is compatible with a wide range of Graco airless paint sprayers, including models like the 190ES, 210, 230, 295, 390, 395, 490, 495, 595, and 3400. What we like. If you're looking for a durable and reliable replacement part, this Prime Spray Valve is an excellent choice. Its solid steel construction and tungsten ball thimble offer superior compressive properties and resistance, ensuring longevity and safety. Choose this if you need a secure and stable component to repair your existing airless paint sprayer. What people say. This sprayer is a workhorse and has been used for multiple projects without any issues. It sprays very evenly and lays down a smooth finish, making it great for trim work. The sprayer is easy to set up and clean, which is a huge plus for any painting job. Number 4. 1000W HVLP Paint Sprayer with 6 nozzles. Experience a newly engineered 1000W high-torque motor that delivers 30% greater efficiency. Achieve rapid, streak-free coating application that outperforms traditional methods, completing projects twice as fast with professional results. The industry-leading XL capacity cup allows for continuous spraying without constant refill interruptions. This is perfect for extended spraying sessions across various projects like fences and furniture. Customize your workflow with adjustable spray patterns and 6 nozzle sizes. Switch seamlessly between detailed trim work and broad surface coverage while maintaining consistent material flow for flawless finishes. Your purchase includes everything you need: the paint sprayer, multiple nozzles, sealing rings, funnels, a viscosity cup, cleaning tools, gloves, and goggles for a complete package. Complete cleaning in under 5 minutes with the included nozzle cleaning needles and storage case. Its patented quick-release mechanism makes maintenance 68% easier than competitor models. Achieve professional-grade results with this easy-to-use tool. It's designed for efficiency and convenience, making your home improvement projects simpler and faster. What we like. For DIY enthusiasts and homeowners tackling various projects, this HVLP paint sprayer is ideal. Its high-efficiency motor and large container mean faster, streak-free application with fewer refills. If you want to complete home improvement projects quickly and efficiently, this is the sprayer for you. What people say. The Graco 390 has a durable construction that holds up well to heavy use. It features a powerful motor that delivers consistent spray patterns for professional results. The sprayer is easy to set up and operate, making it suitable for both experienced painters and DIYers. Number 3. GDHXW 244194 Pump Repair Packing Kit for Graco Airless Paint Sprayer. Introducing the GDHXW 244194 Pump Repair Packing Kit, designed for your Graco Airless Paint Sprayer. This aftermarket kit offers proven quality and leading technology for reliable performance. All leathers and machined parts are crafted from the highest quality materials. Experience superior performance and durability with this essential repair component. This kit is compatible with a wide range of Graco models, including the 295 ST Nova, Ultra, Ultra Max 2, and many more. Ensure a perfect fit for your specific sprayer. It comes with all the necessary seals to successfully rebuild your sprayer. Get your equipment back to optimal working condition with this comprehensive kit. Please read the description carefully to ensure this is the correct product for your needs. Contact us if you have any questions about replacement or installation. What we like. If your Graco Airless paint sprayer needs a tune-up, this pump repair packing kit is the solution. Made with high-quality leathers and machined parts, it provides all the necessary seals to rebuild your sprayer. Choose this if you're looking to restore your sprayer's performance without the cost of a new unit. What people say. The Graco 390 is a workhorse and has been reliable for years. It sprays paint smoothly and evenly, making for a professional finish. The sprayer is easy to set up and clean, which is a huge time saver. Number 2. 22 PCS Airless Paint Sprayer Gun Kit. Introducing our comprehensive 22-piece airless paint sprayer gun kit, designed to equip you with everything you need for your painting projects. This all-in-one package ensures you have all the necessary accessories to start painting right away and enjoy your time. This kit is widely compatible with most airless paint sprayers, and the included 50-foot hose offers flexibility for various work areas. With multiple nozzle and extension rod options, it adapts to your diverse spraying needs, ensuring efficiency and precision. Prevent splashes and clogs with the included nozzle seat and filters, which keep impurities out of your paint. The Spray Guide accessory tool allows for rapid spraying of edges and trims, enhancing the overall quality of your finish. Setting up is a breeze. Simply install the tip seal and spray tip, connect the high-pressure hose, and you're ready to go. Cleaning and clearing blockages are also quick and easy thanks to the reversible spray tip design. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, stainless steel, and tungsten steel, this sprayer gun and its accessories are built for durability. The robust construction ensures comfortable handling and resistance to damage, even with prolonged use. Whether for home or industrial use, this kit is perfect for a wide range of applications. Spray doors, trim, interior walls, ceilings, fences, cabinets, and more, both indoors and outdoors, meeting all your project requirements. What we like. This 22-piece airless paint sprayer gun kit is perfect for those who need an all-in-one solution for various painting jobs. It includes a spray gun, hose, multiple tips, extension wands, and filters, offering great value and versatility. If you're looking for a complete set to handle diverse projects, from interior walls to fences, this kit is a fantastic option. What people say. This sprayer is a workhorse, it sprays very smooth and consistent. The Graco 390 is easy to use and clean, making it a great choice for DIYers and professionals alike. It comes with a 50-foot hose, which provides plenty of reach for most projects. Number 1. Graco Pro 210 ES Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. Introducing the Graco Pro 210 ES, designed for property maintenance professionals and pro painters. It delivers the highest power and performance for your toughest jobs. This sprayer is ideal for jobs up to 50 gallons. It allows you to tackle a wide range of projects efficiently every week. Experience ultimate control with its fully adjustable pressure setting. You can spray paints or stains unthinned at any pressure you need. With support for up to 150 feet of paint hose, you can easily reach peaks or second stories. Leave your sprayer in one place without compromising performance. It supports all 16 true airless spray tips, giving you the full range of options. It can accommodate tip sizes up to 0.021 inches. The flexible suction tube allows you to spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint bucket, making cleanup and refills simple. What we like. For property maintenance professionals and serious painters, this airless paint sprayer is built to impress. Its high power, adjustable pressure, and ability to spray from a 1 or 5 gallon bucket make it incredibly versatile for jobs up to 50 gallons. If you need top-tier performance and the flexibility to tackle demanding projects, this is the sprayer to consider. What people say. The Graco 390 is a workhorse and has been running strong for years. It sprays incredibly smooth and lays down a beautiful finish. The unit is very easy to clean and maintain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.